Welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Jordan Rothrock. Today we're going to look at this 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. It has 39,000 miles on it. Now this one is very rare. What makes it rare is it's a two-door coupe. It does have the 4 seats like a normal Evoque, but it also has proximity entry, and the nice thing is it is very easy to move these seats forward. All you do is pull it forward to just like that, and then with the click of one button, it automatically moves all the way forward as it needs to, so you can get in and out of it easy enough. Now it does have rear heated seats, which is always a plus, as well as front heated seat and steering wheel. It has a power lift gate with ample room to store anything that you need to store on your trip to and from the grocery store or wherever you may need to go. Now on the inside, it does have a fixed panoramic sunroof. It has dual memory seats and plenty of room. It also has a Meridian sound system, which is always nice. I want to thank you for your time and watching this video. If there's anything that we can do for you here, please feel free to give us a call or come to the showroom and ask for me. My name is Jordan. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.